Want to make your Huawei or Honor phone look completely different by replacing the standard emojis with the iPhone-style emoji? In this video, I'll show you how to use zFont 3 to apply iPhone emoji on Huawei and Honor devices, but there's one important detail. The method can vary depending on your Android version and the software installed on your phone. So don't skip ahead, because I'll show you the settings you need to check if the emoji doesn't change immediately. We'll start by opening zFont 3, selecting the iPhone emoji style, and following the available installation method for your device. Then we'll check whether the new emojis are actually working.